Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another buck unboxing for you. This is another video in my series of buck knives unboxings, where I ordered 5 buck knives, 4 from eBay, 1 from directly from Buck, and this is another one from eBay. So let's get this one open, and I am using the Tempest Knives Pinion. Absolutely digging this knife. But yeah, let's get this thing open. See how it's packed. Oh, it actually came in the sheath. For some reason I didn't think it came in the sheath. So as you can see, it's a Buck 112. This sheath is made in China, not Mexico. Do I have one of my other ones? What's this one say? It doesn't. On the inside, it's still got a sticker saying made in Mexico. So this sheath is made in China. But yeah, this is the Buck 112 Ranger LT. Discontinued model. And boy, the outside seems to be in great condition. Let's open it up. Blade looks pretty good. Feels fairly sharp. I need to get a new piece of paper to test. Yep. That was my fault. Not bad. Not bad. Like I said, it's discontinued. These things ran about 25 bucks. I paid a little more for it off eBay. But you see the Buck 112 USA. It's got the nylon handles. Standard Buck 112 dimensions. Everything's the same. I have my 112 Slim Select out, which you can see the clip point's different on that model. And I have my drop point out, but really overall drop point's got a little longer blade on it. Let's stack these things up. So the LT's got a little shorter blade. Has the tip been damaged? It doesn't look it. Doesn't look it. Maybe the very tiny tip is missing, but a little shorter blade. That's interesting. Let me pull out tape measure. Yeah, I get 2 and 3/4. Yeah, about the same. It says the blade's supposed to be 3 inches. Now I'm curious. That one's 3. This one is, you can see, shorter. Two and 13/16. Just a touch less than that. So interesting. I never noticed that this one was a little bit smaller. Might be just the drop point, but that's 3. Everything says it's 3 inches, but evidently The Slim Select and the LT are a little bit different. But yeah, I picked this up, the Buck 112 LT, because I picked up the Buck 110 LT at Walmart on sale for 20 bucks, and I actually really like this one. So these are still in production, as far as I know. The 112s are discontinued, as far as I know. But yeah, very nice. It's lightweight. You know, basically all the same dimensions. It's supposed to be a 3-inch blade. Cutting edge is 2.625. Blade width is 0.088. Or, yeah, 0.88. This way. Blade thickness, blade stock this way, 0.12. It's got Bucks 420 HC, the Boss heat treat. Handles 4¼ inches. Just fits my hand just about perfect. I'm not crowded on it, but I get all 4 fingers. Handle width's 1 inch. Thickness is 0.62. It's very hand filling. I like that. Essentially, it's the same thickness as the 110. Handle material, they call it nylon. It's plastic. Feels a little cheaper, plasticky sounding feeling than the FRN they use on the Slim Selects. I like the material they use on the Slim Selects, but you can see the difference in the thickness of the handle. This is definitely more comfortable in my hand, more hand filling. This is not bad, but then it doesn't feel my hand as good. Yeah, you can see all these cheaper models have that little bump right there. This one does too, just not as pronounced. But yeah, seems to be in decent shape. Pretty snappy. I mean, all the way from right about there. Have to be careful. Try to close these one-handed. They will get you. The Slim Select 110 got me really good one day. But yeah, I'm happy with this one. Pretty decently. Oops, I just hit the camera big time. Pretty decent edge on it. Yeah, and it came with a sheath, nylon sheath. I don't think I knew that. Yeah. Nice. Let's put that in there. I will probably put a black thumb stud on it, just like I did the 110 for one hand opening. In fact, we could do that right now. If I can get the baggie open. So, little tiny set screw. I got these pack of 3 off Amazon. If I remember, I'll put the link down. It was like 11 bucks, 11 something. Get it right to the thing. See where I have that thumb stud is right about the ricasso. This one's a little bit tight. I don't know. There we go. Yeah. I'll move that up a little bit. Very tight fitting. Yeah, let's try right there. Keep it a little more out of the cutting path. Tighten this thing up. And let's see. Yeah, that works. I like that. Boy, I tell you, just putting one of these thumb studs on these knives just changes how nice they are. So nice to be able to one hand open, do what you gotta do, and yeah, you can figure out how to close it one-handed. Yeah, that fits in there. Usually with the thumb studs, you gotta put it in, kind of twist, and do that. But yeah, not bad. Too bad this is made in China. I mean, it's one thing, a lot of their sheaths are made in Mexico, but guess they went cheap. Like I said, this was a $25 knife just a couple years ago. Yeah. So yeah, guess that's it for this video, this unboxing. I'm liking this one. I got a pretty good deal on this considering it's obsolete. I dig it. I like these. Let's check the blade play. I didn't do that. This one is dang good. Just a tiny little bit I can feel. Not hardly nothing. Lock rock. Just a tiny bit. But these were known for that, with nylon handles. This one, about the same. Actually, there's no lock rock on that one. There's a little bit on this. That's okay. These nylon handles are done really nice. Now, side note, see the logo on here? The small buck with the anvil. See the logo on this one with a big buck? This is a Walmart knife, and this is not. So yeah, guess that'll do it. You know, do the usual like, comment, subscribe, and until the next video, bye.